This Maine private 11-acre camp with bunkhouse, workshop, and offers direct ITS 82 access, tucked away in the heart of western Maine's rugged beauty. This mostly furnished camp offers the kind of privacy and outdoor lifestyle that's hard to come by. Set on 11 acres of mature hardwoods, the property is surrounded by a serene natural landscape, creating the perfect setting for those who value peace, space, and a connection to the great outdoors. One of the property's standout features is its direct access to ITS 82, placing miles of well-maintained snowmobile and ATV trails right at your back door. This makes it an ideal base for year-round recreation, from snowmobiling and cross-country skiing in winter to ATV riding and hiking in warmer months. For hunters, the surrounding open woods provide excellent wildlife habitat, giving you prime opportunities for deer, moose, and small game. The camp itself comes mostly furnished, making it easy to move right in and start enjoying your new retreat. Inside, you'll find a warm, rustic atmosphere perfect for gathering with friends and family after a day outdoors. A separate bunkhouse offers extra sleeping space for guests, making it easy to host group trips, hunting parties, or extended family stays without sacrificing privacy. An attached workshop provides a practical space for gear storage, maintenance projects, or hobby work. Whether you're tuning up a snowmobile, repairing outdoor equipment, or working on a woodworking project, you'll have the dedicated space you need. The location strikes a perfect balance between seclusion and convenience. While the property feels remote and private, it's just 25 minutes to Webb Lake, known for its scenic beauty and excellent fishing, and 15 minutes to Wilson Pond and the Androscoggin River, both offering more opportunities for boating, fishing, and paddling. This means you can spend your days exploring Maine's waters and trails, then return to your own private getaway each evening. Whether you're looking for a seasonal escape, a hunting and fishing base camp, or a place to enjoy year-round outdoor recreation, this property has the versatility and setting to match your vision. With its acreage, trail access, and ready-to-enjoy accommodations, it's truly a turnkey opportunity to own a piece of Maine's outdoor paradise.